48.
terminates
Stepford Connect.
All
Service
trains
to Lynn by the
Thank you
Sea.
for travelling with us today.
Calling at Edgemead, Faymere, Westercoast, Millcastle,
This is
West
Leighton
Wyvern,
City.
Starry Lock,
This train
North
terminates
Shore,
here.
and
All change,
Lynn by
please.
the Sea.
Thank you for
This
travelling
train
with
is
us today.
formed of 4 coaches. The 2146 Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea is delayed by approximately 11 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned.
This is
The
Leighton
train
City.
now standing at
This train is
platform
for
3
Lynn
is
by the
the
Sea.
2149
station is
Stepford Connect
Edgemead.
service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at Leighton, Stepford Road, Rocket Parade, Wharton Newton, Upper Staplow, Hampton Hargate, Benton Bridge, Benton, Coxley, Bowdin, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East, Stepford Central, and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 4
Welcome on board this
coaches.
Stepford Connect service to Lynn by
Your
the
attention, please.
Sea. We will be calling at Edgemead, Faymere, Westercoast, Millcastle, West Wyvern, Starry Lock, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. The next station is Edgemead. We will shortly be arriving at Edgemead. Change here for services to Rayleigh Bay. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is Edgemead. This train is for Lynn by the Sea. The next station is Faymere.
Platform 1 for the 2152 Stepford Connect service to West Wyvern. Calling at Faymere, Westercoast, Millcastle Racecourse, Millcastle, and West Wyvern. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
And the platform.